Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're glad to have you. Today, we're taking a close look at the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker bottle. If you're tired of the old manual shakers, this one could be the upgrade you need. Let's check it out. The VOLTRX Vortex Boost Electric Protein Shaker is made from infant-grade Tritan, meaning it's completely BPA-free and safe to use. With a 24 OZ, 600 ml capacity, it's the perfect size for protein shakes, smoothies, or any of your favorite workout drinks. It's built to last, lightweight, and designed for daily use. One of its standout features is the Vortex mixing technology. With a 2000 RPM motor, it ensures your shakes are mixed smoothly every time. Just press a button and let the shaker do all the hard work. No lumps, no clumps, just a perfectly mixed drink in seconds. Cleaning is also super easy. The VOLTRX shaker is IPX5 water resistant, meaning you can wash the outer part with no issues. Just add warm water and soap, turn it on, and the shaker is clean and ready for the next round in no time. Another bonus is the battery life. After just a 2-hour charge, you can use it for up to 1 month, based on 3 uses per week. That's one less thing to worry about. Charge it up and enjoy weeks of hassle-free use. So, is the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker worth it? If you want a smooth, easy-to-use shaker that mixes your drinks perfectly every time, this is a great option. It's durable, efficient, and ready for any workout. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.